Okay, now we're going to be doing the cabling. Now, please disregard all the other extra cameras or all different angles just for you. So included in the motherboard box usually comes with either 2 or more SATA cables for your hardware, okay? So since we do have the drives already installed, we've done all those steps already, and we're up to this step, installing the cables. So it's relatively simple. It's just round peg, square hole, you know, snaps right into place. But we do need to get the power from the power supply to the DVD drive and or dual hard drives, depending on how you have it. If you bought a more elaborate motherboard, most likely it came with many other SATA cables, probably, like I said, 4 or more, very possible. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install the hard drive first. So we're going to plug in. Now we have 6 SATA ports to choose from. Okay, we have 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. So what we want to try to do is try to see if we can see which ones are the primary. So we may have to consult our motherboard. So this one says 6543 and then 21. But if you look carefully, this motherboard does have NMV capabilities. This does have 2 slots here which support 2242, 2260, and 2280 drive sizes for both. So these are also options if you wanted to do so. All right, so now we're going to be plugging in the hard drive to this port here. Okay, and we're going to grab the other one, and this one's going to be for the DVD drive. In your situation, this could be for another hard drive. So we're just going to bring this cable over, and we're going to place that down. Now we want to search for the SATA cables. Remember we lined these things over the side of the case here. So we want to see if we could get these cables in order here and see if there's enough range to cover 2. So no, we're going to have to use 2 independent SATA power cords for our installation. So just make sure that you are aware that this notch here is down to install the power for the DVD or hard drive for that matter. So that one is installed like that, and put the excess maybe underneath the drive. All personal preference again. You may want to zip tie those babies and put them someplace else. And then we want to grab another power for the other hard drive, SATA hard drive, and run those down here like so, and plug in the SATA for the SSD. Again, tuck that in. Now we take the cable for the DVD and plug that in like so. I like the 90-degree angle one to be on the DVD or CD-ROM drive, and then for the solid state drive, I like to have the one that goes straight. But again, personal preference. Now everything is installed. It's a big mess of wires. So essentially, this computer can be turned on and start installation of an operating system, whichever you may like. And I'll have 2 videos here, one to go to the operating system and the other one to be the cabling. Let's go to the next step.